Good morning friends, welcome to my channel Learning Everyday. Today we are going to cover about Vim editor, which is a default Linux editor. So what are the topics which I'm going to cover in today's demo? The topics which I'm going to cover in today's demo are Vim introduction, check if Vim is installed in your Linux machine or not. If it is not installed, what are the commands we can use to install Vim? What are the Vim basic modes? And what are the basic commands provided by the Vim editor? So let's start with the Vim introduction. What is Vim? Vim is an editor given by a Linux machine, just like a notepad in a Windows. Anyone who is coming from a Windows background, they know what is notepad and what is like notepad++. They use it to edit any files. Similarly, in Linux machine, we get Vim editor to edit any files. Now let's see what are the commands we can use to see that Vim is installed in our Linux machine or not. Which Vim will give me the place or the location where the Vim is installed in my Linux machine. As you can see, Vim is already in my Linux machine and it is showing that it is installed in user/bin/vim. This is the location where all the binary files will get installed in any Linux machine. If Vim is not installed in your Linux machine, you can use command yum install vim. As Vim is already installed in my Linux machine, it will show that Vim is already installed and we don't have to do anything. But if Vim is not installed, this command let you install Vim in your Linux machine. From the topic, we have already seen that if Vim is not installed, what command we can use and how to check if Vim is installed in a Linux machine. Now let's see what are the different basic modes provided by any Vim editor. There are basically three modes provided by any Vim editor. One is a command mode, the second is insert mode, and the third is a visual mode. Now let's see one by one what is command mode. So what is command mode? Command mode is the default mode when we open any file by Vim editor. Let me show you. Whenever we open any file using Vim editor, it will by default open in a command mode. I have already created a test.txt file which I am going to open using a Vim editor. I am opening the file test.txt using Vim editor. To open any file using Vim editor, we have to use command vim and then the file name. Any file by default open in a command mode. As you can see, when we open a file, it will display the file name at the below of the terminal. To go from command mode to insert mode, we have to use I button from the keyboard. I am pressing I button and as you can see, it went from command mode to insert mode. This is the mode which allows us to write anything inside the file. I have already written something inside the file, but I can append something. I am appending some names of the city. As you can see, I can write the name of the city inside the file. To save and exit this file, we have to go from insert mode to command mode. To go from insert mode to command mode, we have to press escape button. As you can see, the insert keyword from the down of the terminal is went off. It went from insert mode to command mode. To save this file, we have to use :x, enter. It saved the file. To verify that it has saved the file, we can use the command cat.txt. As you can see, the Bangalore name which I have written at the last of the file is saved in this file. To again open this file, I can use the Vim editor and I can open the file like test.txt. We have already seen the command mode and the insert mode. So what is visual mode? Visual mode is the mode in which it allows us to select a section of the file. To go to the visual mode, we have to first be in the command mode. I am already in the command mode. To go to the visual mode, we have to press V button. It will allow us to select a section of the file by using up and down button. After selecting, we can do any operation on these lines. Now I am going to show you the last section of this tutorial is like copy, paste and delete. Now to copy any given line, we have to be on the line and then press 2 times the Y button. I am pressing 2 times the Y button. Now I copied the line number 1. I can paste it anywhere, like I am pasting at the end of this file. To paste this line, we have to use the button P. Now you can see I copied the line India. Now I can paste it here. To demonstrate that how we can copy any given word, let me write something in some words in a same line. Now to copy the Prakash keyword, I have to press YW by keeping my cursor on the first word of the line. I kept my cursor at the P and pressed YW. It copied the Prakash in the clipboard. I can paste it anywhere. To paste again, I have to go at that place and press the P button. You can see I pressed P button and it got pasted. This is the way I copied a word. Now I have already shown you how to copy a line and to copy a word. To copy a line, we have to be on the line and press 2 times the Y button. To copy any word, we have to first character of the word and press the Y button 2 times. To paste anything inside the file, we have to use the button P. Now how I can delete a word? To delete a word, we have to be on the first character of the word and then press DW. It deleted that word. How we can delete a given line? To delete a given line, we have to be on the line, anywhere on the line, and then press 2 times the D button. As I pressed it, deleted the one line. You can see I can press 2 times and it deleted the current line. How I can delete multiple lines? Now suppose I want to delete the 2 lines from India. So I want to basically delete India and US. So I have to be on the India and then I want to delete 2 lines. So I press 2 and then I have to delete. So to delete, I have to press D 2 times. I pressed D and it deleted 2 lines. To show you the tricks of the Vim editor, I will create a new video next time. For time being, have a nice day. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.